Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A8. The car has the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, front headlight washer jets and also the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle we have the 18-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows. Dynamic sweep indicators at the rear with the rear parking sensors. Integrated rear exhaust. This is the TDI quattro, so it is winter ready with the four-wheel drive system. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the acoustic double glazing on the windows, Alcantara suede on the inside of the door cards with a gloss walnut finish. Electronic folding exterior mirrors with the electronic memory seats. Quattro luminous logo as you open up the door with the electronic slide tilted four-way lumbar support in the front sports seats. Automatic headlights and wipers with a full leather dashboard. Four-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control with coloured centre display in the clocks. High gloss black and walnut on the centre console with heated seats, dual climate control, Audi's MMI display. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A8, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.